Okay, I'm heading out to Chantilly in Virginia, Northern Virginia. I live in Ruston, Virginia. I'm gonna pick up a feedback sports bike stand to hold some of my bikes. It really won't hold my heavier duty Trecolon 8 Plus S. This one weighs, I don't know, 56 pounds, probably 60. These other ones, either are two Van Moves, they're Dutch e-bikes, they're a little lighter, but they're still like in the low 40s. The rack is rated for, I believe, 40 pounds for mechanicking and then a max weight of like 65 pounds. So it's really a little bit too light for weight for any of these. But I just want to check it out. He wanted $100. I said 60, he said 80. I said, this is really a project. I did a little research. They said if I disassemble the clutch, I can clean up the mechanism to get it to grip a little tighter to sort of mitigate the problem that this particular feedback stand has, which is why they came out with a version 2. When it's tilted to a 360-degree angle, it can sort of give way and the bike can kind of flop or tilt or fall a little bit, especially if it's in a heavier e-bike like my Trek over here. So the solution is spend some time, take it apart, clean it up. And they also mentioned that I could put something in there like a little heavy carbon grease, I think is what they called it, that'll give it a little more friction to hold it a little bit better. So it's a project. Odds are it's not going to work for what I got. I bet it'll work reasonably well though on the Van Moves. But I really want it for the fun of it. And for 60 bucks, it's another Facebook Marketplace find. Okay, headed over to pick up my Facebook Marketplace find in my junky old 2008 Honda Civic EX. And it's only like 7 miles. There's no toll roads. Man, when you're really trying to save the nickels, like you don't want to buy like a $60 item and then spend like $30 on like tolls and gas and all that. That makes no sense. So
take the exit, then keep right onto US 50 West.
Headed towards Winchester, just past like, I don't know, Robert E. Lee Highway or something like that. I'm going to turn left on Gun Spring Road. Tell me they didn't have some Civil War action around here. So headed to buy another Facebook Marketplace find. This time it's a feedback sports bike stand. It's a slightly older model. The newer one is a little cheaper. They made some improvements on some faulty issues. This guy had this one listed at $100. Before the new model, it sold for I think like $225. I said I'll give you 60. He said 80. I said I got to stick at 60. It's a little bit of a project, but if you want more info, click on the other link that's going to be floating somewhere around, and I'll give you the full skinny, which hopefully will include kind of a rebuild. I want to take apart the clutch, clean it, and grease it so it has more friction and holds a little bit heavier bike than advertised.